2,000 years later.
It's been a while since I've been on here. It's been a while. But what up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Let's jump right into the video. Today we're going to talk about how much money have I spent on the Civic so far. So guys, to let you guys know, phase 1 is complete. Now I'm about to jump into phase 2, and phase 2 is going to be a little bit more of I don't want to be near you type person, if you know what I mean, like exhaust. So that's what phase 2 is about to jump into. But we're gonna go back and talk about what have I did to my car for phase 1. Now, I purchased this car in 2016 in December. I had no plans on modifying it until 2018. Okay, so that's when I really got heavy into the car scene, and I just want to modify my car. But we're gonna talk about how much money I spent on my car so far. It might not seem a lot to you, but for me, I put out some chunk of change in the past year. Let's get to it and let's talk about how much money that I spent on my car so far. So the number one thing we're gonna talk about is brakes. And I bought brakes and pads. Not brakes and pads, brakes and rotors for $126 off of Amazon, and that was a good deal, not gonna lie. If you want to know what I bought, I'm gonna put everything in the description below if you want to get the same things I have. I put these on in 2018. I have a video, it's right here if you want to see when I put the brakes and rotors on, but I had no issues out of these rotors yet. For $126 you get brakes and the rotors. You can't beat that, and it was easy installed too. There wasn't nothing hard that I couldn't do. Once you get started on it, it's very easy. But let's jump into what everybody's been watching, everybody been talking about, been commenting on my videos about, is my coilovers. I'm gonna give you the exact price. Slam it. I didn't slam it, but I lowered it just a little bit. So I'm giving you a price on the coilovers, how much that was. The Rev 9 coilovers were $497. I spent $497 on these coilovers, and I cannot complain at all. I'm gonna tell you why. You take care of them, they do the same justice as the high-end coilovers. So just take care of your coilovers, and you'll be a-okay with the $497 I spent. Best bang for your buck. So go get those. 2019 is the year where I really spent the most money. So if you do the math, $126 plus $497 right now is going to get you $623. So I already spent $623 in 2018 so far. But 2019, that's when I spent, I don't know, but we're gonna find out today how much money I spent today. Guarantee that. First thing I bought was actually a front lip diffuser. A little more aggressive look on the front, and that was $119. Okay, so that wasn't not so bad, but I could have found something a little bit cheaper, but I just want to trust my gut. It's like, get this, you know. So that was $119 plus $623. I'm at $822 now. Already at $822. All right, so now let's get to the side skirts, and that was, I think side skirts are about, wow. These side skirts are currently unavailable right now, but it don't show me a price. If I can remember correctly, those side skirts, I think they were $62 a piece. Not a piece, $62 for the kit. So we're gonna put $62 down. $62, add on to the $822. I'm at $884. The next thing I bought was OEM headlights for the Civic. I was thinking about buying like modified, a more aggressive look on headlights, but I just read some bad reviews on it. I said, no way, I'm not about to do that. So I'm gonna go with the OEM, stick with the old original. Can't do nothing wrong with OGs, because you know, they've been to the game. Those headlights cost me around approximately $139. So let's add $139 to $884. And right now we're at $1,023. Now, I spent that in the past 2 years. $1,023. I spent it in the past 2 years. Now, what's gonna really boost this price value up, the paint job. Now, the paint job was really got my pockets like into a hole, because I needed my car painted. You know, it was no point in me buying all this extra stuff. I was gonna get my car painted. Went to the paint shop, and I approximately spent $850 on the paint job. So let's add that to was $1,023. $1,873 right now. $1,873. Almost put $2,000 in this car. Almost put $2,000. Let's talk about maintenance. I had one maintenance issue at this car. It was the starter. Okay, starter was $75. Not an OEM Honda Civic starter. Not nothing too crazy, but $75. And that's put me at $1,948.
No! No!
I could have saved some money if my paint wasn't peeling. So that would really mess me up in my budget, because the paint was peeling. If I never had to repaint the car, I would save me a lot of money, and I probably had some more install videos for you guys in the first phase, but I said, you know what, I had to get this car painted, so we just save it for the second phase. So the last thing I spent on this car in the first phase was wheels. Got the AODHAN wheels plus the tires. I really don't know the exact price off the top of my head. I'm guessing the last time I looked at, I think it was like $1,009. So we're just gonna add $1,009, and that leaves me with $2,957. To me, that's a lot of money I spent on a car in 2 years. 2 years, I spent a lot of money. $2,957 is a lot of money to me. But for you, you probably spent way more than me. But I just want to give you guys a rundown on how much money I spent on this car. Phase 2, I'm playing the game a little bit smarter. I'm not trying to go out there and spend a whole check on car parts. That's a big no-no. I learned my lesson in the past. Now, I'm gonna tell you guys what I want to do in phase 2. The first thing I want to do is get new seats. I want racing seats, because I'm tired of the OEM seats. You know, I just want to do more interior work. I want to do a decorative design for the roof, inside the roof. I want to do that. I just want to keep it simple, but also want to do something different, because the inside looks so plain. Only thing I have in inside that really steals the sight me is the inside, the lights I have. But that's basically it. I want to put exhaust on the car. That's one of the biggest things like I'm ready to do, but sometimes you just gotta save up money. Like, do not rush your pockets into buying something huge when you don't know how you're gonna recover for the next week after you spend that big purchase. Like, don't do that. Like, save up. Like, it's okay to save up for car parts. Like, me personally, if I didn't have credit, I'd be saving up for car parts. Let's be real. You know what I'm saying? If you have credit, use it wisely. Do not buy everything at once with your credit card, because then you're gonna mess yourself up. Okay, so take it month, week, maybe 6 months at a time and buy new car parts. Don't rush into I gotta buy all this at once. Don't do that. Cold air intake, I want that next. That's what I really need on this car. Right now my car just looks good from the outside. I don't have no engine modifications at all. I want new headers. That's something I really want. I'm just gonna bring out the exhaust more. I get new headers on the car. I gotta get my windows retinted. I want a little bit more darker tint. No, I'm not gonna wide body the car. The day I decided wide body the Civics, the day I really like committed to the wide body life. I'm scared to cut my fenders. I'm being real with you guys. I'm scared, and I don't have another car to drive around. So wide body is really out. Don't think about that. Don't think about I'm gonna wide body my car. I might want to get a new steering wheel. When I drive, when I grip it, and this stuff comes down, I might want to get a new steering wheel. Might get an aftermarket one, you know, change this. But if I do get a new steering wheel, the cruise control is gone, so I gotta think about that. When I modify a car, I like to start with small things first. I don't just get me in the rhythm of, you know, I don't like to jump into something huge. Some days I like to do that, but sometimes I like just start small. That's one thing in the car community. A lot of people like to start with the big things first, but start with the small things, because basically everything in phase 1 except the coilovers, they were really small installs, like small things to do to your car, but it made my car stand out more. You know what I'm saying? Like wheels, new paint jobs. I just gave you guys how much I spent on phase 1 and what's the future for phase 2. So you guys, if you're not subscribed to this channel, this month legit, I'm telling you, phase 2 is gonna be another journey for you guys to experience with me. You know, I've been a year on YouTube, and this car came a long way. You know, when I first started with the first video I did. So I want to tell everybody thank you just for watching me, just keeping me active. You know what I'm saying? You know, I don't usually film a lot of videos. Sometimes I might lose creativity, just be honest with you guys, and I'm just gonna give you guys great content. I just don't want to keep on throwing out content if it's not good. I like to, when I do videos, it's going to be for a reason. It's going to be for something you can enjoy. Just comment on my videos, just telling me thank you and everything like that means a lot to me. You know what I'm saying? For somebody on this channel that I started a year ago, I had no intentions of getting this much love back, you know. So that's one thing I really can enjoy about doing YouTube, that you don't know who's watching you, and that's a great thing. I want to just tell you guys thank you again. See you guys later, and legit is out.